Yes, sir. Cause I'm gonna fucking take it off. Tell him it's time to sponsor my own shit. I love you guys. Shout out to Project. Gotta sponsor my own shit. Hey, record this dumb.
Y hasta el cielo, mi compa.
What?
He's not here.
I'm not looking.
Damn,
Is that
shit's
vinyl?
easy as hell. Hey, don't poke my.
Oh my god, he drops it.
Yeah, bro, I want to get a train horn
I don't know, but it's a good.
for the 300.
I might be able to reuse it.
Huh?
I might be able to reuse it.
No, don't use it. Oh, no, yeah, we use it. You got the what? G8? G8? Man, G8, you got the me. I need a...
Not just G8s. Fusions.
You need a tuna, bro. Now I can. Where'd you place it at?
I'll fix it later.
You drop it.
Wow, he drops it.
You
guys.
drop this one. So when you drop this one,
How you did?
you ever hear boxers, bro? They be like...
All the girls gonna hit me up after this video. You already know what it is. Jose too.
Nah.
Nah, we already know what it is. Tell him you don't need that.
Should I try?
You're a killer.
I like that.
Let's see if it's when I go like.
Bro, I put my finger in you. You never knew you were gonna fight that shit.
You about to kill me, fool?
You smile. You look all mean, now you're all happy.
Oh, no, never
That's
mind.
it's
Yeah,
part
it
of the
is.
Trokita.
No, that looks good.
Yeah, it looks good right there.
I don't trust you guys.
Oh, it looks good, bro.
It looks good?
I hope so.
Nah, that A, bro.
What you mean?
That A is fucked up.
No, it's not.
Gap,
No,
bro.
I'm just fucking with you.
Is it backwards?
We're gonna make it big, guys. Y'all see one day.
One day, bro, you better be big.
We're gonna be the richest motherfuckers. Yeah, I'm gonna make it big. Y'all end up making your own channel. Watch.
Yeah, you can probably sponsor. I mean, not sponsor. What you say?
We got about shout out the homie Baynaldo. We're gonna be he's gonna be Dumbo, Dumbaldo.
All right, Jose.
What are we getting? I might get.
I don't know, bro.
You don't know. Okay. I think you should hold off on this one, and we'll come back. Because first we need to know if this stereo fits in your car.
It should.
And if it should, we'll take that. And like my idea is that this is the exact size of your thing, so you don't need it, you know. And what's that? Okay. Do you need a harness?
I don't know. I'm gonna take it just in case.
Just in case. I like your thinking. You found your fuse?
Yeah, but you gotta look for this.
For sure.
Nigga, this is all.
Yo. What is up, guys? So every day is a new damn thing. The homie Jose just bought a fucking stereo. He a savage. And then the homie Ray got his little box fuse because it blew. So you guys will see that in a video later on. I haven't posted it as of I haven't posted it yet, so y'all see that later. What you guys are probably gonna see right now in this clip is us fixing his halos and installing a stereo for Jose's car. For sure. Hold on, if I could count.
Ready?
That bitch.
For sure. You excited?
Yeah.
He said, yeah, you were rolling 2 days with no more stereo. For sure. Yes, sir.
Oh, well, whoa!
No, it's just 12s. Bigger 12s. Alright, let's put it so we can fuck with it nicely. For sure. That's dope, bro. I like it.
It's good like that. Beautiful night in Detroit.
Just here. Look, just here.
Say hello.
Bro, what the fuck they gonna do? Hey, are you open?
Call you back, yeah, we're open.
It's on voicemail, what the fuck? Like this, right? Just kick it hard.
I'm gonna believe you, dog. Cover your eyes just in case glass falls. Flies over the place. Oh my god.
I got it. It's all over my car.
Get my viewers dizzy, dog. Yeah, this is probably an addition, so they look good. Bro?
sweet, dog. Okay.
Alright, this is probably an addition. If you guys enjoy, like, subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Tell them, Jay, tell them, come
Day
in.
47 quarantine. Like and
What we do?
We having fun. Show them a little quick. Corte.
Thumbnail.
Thumbnail.
I started painting his ass.
Slapping his ass on accident. Show me. Oh, you can't get close because of what?
Hit us off at.
He look white as hell.
Yeah, bro, that shit bright as fuck. Turn that bitch off.
Yeah, that shit looks dope though.
I bet that bitch hot as fuck too. I bet that bitch in heat.
It's looking dope. Tell them something, Ray. Talk to the fans.
I don't even know what to say, fool.
Shoot ass nigga.
All I know is that Jose fucked up my hood.
Oh yeah, we didn't get that part. We didn't get that part on video.
Hey, it's my speakers bang though.
Speakers bang now. We didn't get that part either.
So what happened was that Jose tried to be all cool and slide in the hood like the movies.
Like GTA.
And his ass just took all the paint out.
Yeah, we will be giving this car away at 100K subscribers. Approval from Ray.
When SRT design,
SRT
300
model.
radio don't work.
Yeah, it does.
No, it does work now. Imagine we do hit 100K.
Imagine. I'll give my car away.
Shit, I'll give you money back to buy another one.
Exactly.
Bitch, 100K.
You know 100K.
Million, nigga.
So Static
1
Leo
million.
got a new Corvette and he only at like 50K. Yeah, he has like 50K or 80K subscribers, barely.
Bro, he be probably selling drugs and shit.
No, that I don't think he sells. And Anito Customs. Alright, shine the lights up to see what we're missing.
Yeah, you're missing all this part right here.
Because I guess I give it a light.
All this part right here.
You look like Eddie for a second. Damn, my baby.
Hey, Cheyenne!
It's nice.
It is?
Yeah, I like it. There's
Has,
a lot of space. I'm surprised there's
It
no
has
shit.
pedal shifters.
Let me see, use them.
I don't know how
Coming
to.
soon,
And then
coming
look,
soon.
Right here,
You better not run my ass over. What's that?
that stick right here. I'm gonna pop the hood.
I bet come and introduce. Hey, it's kind of. I like it. I fuck with it.
It's touchscreen too.
Bro, there's a shit ton of space.
I know.
Who you clapping back here?
Huh?
I was fucking best, dog.
For real?
Yeah.
Bro, your car sounds louder than this.
What's up?
Está bonito, ¿verdad?
Air intake, you know? 2.0 turbo, you know?
Where's the turbo?
Right here.
That ain't no turbo, nigga. That's the alternator.
Oh, somewhere right here.
Come on, see. It's nice. Tiene alarma y todo,